How search works. How do search engines work? Internet search engines are basically computer algorithms designed to help users find information stored on other sites. With literally trillions of pages of information online, without effective search engines, finding anything on the internet would be almost impossible. Different search engines work in different specific ways, but they utilize the same basic principles. Search engines perform three basic tasks. They search the internet or select pieces of the internet based on important words. They keep an index of the words they find and where they find them. They allow users to look for words or combination of words found in that index. These are the steps of Google's search engine. First is discovery. Second, content analysis. Third, indexing. And fourth, ranking. Early engines versus today's engines. Early search engines held an index of a few 100,000 pages and documents and received maybe 1 or 2,000 inquiries each day. Today, a top search engine will index hundreds of millions of pages and respond to tens of millions of inquiries per day. Different engines work differently. Different search engines refresh their indexes at different intervals, depending on how many spiders they constantly have crawling and how fast these spiders crawl, with some working their way through the internet every day or two, and others only doing a periodic refresh every week or month. How companies can use paid search to get hits on their websites. What is paid search? Owners of websites pay an advertising fee in order for their websites to show in search results. Their website is shown in a top position on the search results. People are more likely to click on a website that is in a top position in search results. This helps companies become more visible in order to get more hits on their website. Types of paid search. Pay-per-click. Advertisers get paid only when the ad gets clicked. Flat rate PPC. Advertiser and publisher agree upon a fixed amount that will be paid for each click. Bias-based PPC. Advertiser signs a contract that allows them to compete against other advertisers in a private auction hosted by an advertising network. Cost per click. It's the sum paid to search engines for a single click on their advertisement, which directs the visitors to their website. This is an example of pay-per-click. Top paid search engines: AdWords, Sponsored Listings, Overture, and Ad Center. Some benefits of paid search: real-time tracking, targeted traffic, and branding. Tips for successful paid search: use relevant keywords, timing, and tracking. Boolean operators, how they help searchers find information. Boolean operators are used to define the relationship between words. They are used to help searchers to find the correct item they are looking for when using search engines such as Google or Bing.com. They also allow users to define certain words they are looking for. They help to mitigate erroneous information when used in search engines, and they allow users to find the information they are searching for. Boolean operators use three words: AND, which narrows search and retrieve records containing all of the words it separates, OR, which broadens search and retrieves records containing any of the words it separates, and NOT, which narrows search and retrieves records that do not contain the term following it. Simple search with Boolean operators. Picture that you need to find information about Harvard University and Yale University for an application process. You would perform a 3-keyword search: Harvard or Yale. This search finds articles that discuss either Harvard or Yale, or always broadens a search: Harvard and Yale. This search finds articles that compare Harvard and Yale, and always narrows a search: Harvard, not Yale. This search finds articles that are exclusively about Harvard, not always excludes records with the specified term. Simple search with Boolean operators. In the case where you're searching for a particular subject in blues music, for example, B.B. King and the blues, it will give you all the information you want on B.B. King and the blues, but it will give you information on other musicians in blues you may not be searching for. In this case, you would search B.B. King and blues, not others. Search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is a practice of making a website effective so it can achieve high rankings on a search engine's result page. Today, search engines use spiders to crawl web pages, doing 3 important things: marking their content, identifying the number of sites that link to the page, and reporting the content to a large database where it can be searched. SEO, good versus evil. There are 2 sides to SEO, the angel side and the devil side. The angel side is also known as white hat SEO. It is when optimizers enhance the website for a better user experience. This ensures that the user finds what they are looking for, encouraging them to return. The devil side, on the other hand, is actually known as black hat SEO. Black hat SEO tries to trick the search engines with certain words and phrases while not having any real content. Many times they get blacklisted as a result. 6 steps to successful search engine optimization. 1. Market research. 2. Keyword research. 3. Site structure. 4. On-page optimizing. 5. Link building. 6. Viral marketing. Search engine optimization fun facts. The average website receives up to 80% of its new traffic from search engines. This shows how important SEO is. There are 2 types of search results: natural or organic results. These are the results that improve a website's ranking. And paid results. Search engines use algorithms to rank web pages for signs of relevance, importance, popularity, trust, and authority. This is an example of search results. As you can see, on the right hand side you have paid results, and in the middle you have natural or organic search.